Welcome to T.B.L.A. Outdoors. Right now we're on our bike ride.
I just got a mountain bike.
Got a mountain bike here on Christmas Day. Here on Christmas Day we're out riding bikes. We got dropped off at the reservoir and we're making our way. We're making our way back home. We just got dropped off. We just barely started. So stay with us for this adventure. It's snowy, so the roads are snowy. So we gotta go slow, especially around these sharp turns. There's Trey. He's having a rough time with his bike.
Yeah, I have this.
There's not really any big cliffs now. Here we are, heading up. We got all four of us ready to go. Brittany, your coat's soaking wet. It's gonna take us quite a long time to even get to the turnoff. Yeah, we're going 9 miles around turns and hills. 9 miles to home, so here we go. We'll stay with you up along the way. Here we are, our first pit stop. Parked our bikes right there off the side of the road, and we're here at the pond. Yesterday, in our last video adventuring, I believe in the hills. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. But in that video, we were hiking down along in these hills down there, trying to get to this pond. We never ended up making it because we had a certain time limit where our ride was coming, and it was getting dark, so we had to hurry. So we never did make it, but this is where we were coming to. Here it is. And it's snowy up here. Just took our first little pit stop. We still gotta go up a little hill. We just came from a little hill up that way. There's some little ducks down there. You guys ready to get back on the road? We're gonna wait for Trey to get cars. We're gonna get back on the road. What happened? What screw? Yeah, that bolt right there. Right there.
See, so I'm about to fly, so it's just like this, and I go, it's just like, I can't.
Yeah, it just wiggles. Is that how yours is?
No, that's how mine.
You need to tighten it? Should have had yours tighten yours just in case. Okay, we'll see you back on the road. Alright, we've come to our second stop, this Dixie National Forest sign. And we're all stopped just to get in a little snack and taking a drink, taking a little rest. We're keeping a pretty good pace. We're way back. Those are all of our tracks. The pond's way back there. But we're at our second stop so far. So
It's pretty fun so far.
see how our backs are all soaking wet? Burden, come put this back, my bag.
This?
So I got my little backpack that I have to carry with all the stuff. Put that in there. Hurry. Okay, come along. I haven't seen any cars so far. Here we go. It's pretty good, nice up here. Good scenery, nice snow. Your handlebars still wet? gorgeous day. Spending it up in the hills. Okay. Catch you on our next pit stop. We're at our next pit stop. This little campground. There's Bernie's getting a little tired. So they're up here waiting. I'm gonna stand back to film. But they're back here waiting. Third pit stop done. Fourth is coming up. Oh, they're even more loose. Bernie, wait here. You told us you needed a break. So take a break so you can go further. If you just take a second break, then you go only a little bit. If you take a quite a bit long break, then you can go for a long ways. So we get up around that corner where we were before. Keeping a good pace. How much you bet we win? Mile and a half? Yeah.
We started at like 11:45. It wasn't exactly 12 o'clock. It's 12:35.
Yeah, because this whole thing's 3 miles. And if we're almost to where we were before, then that means we're almost to the turnoff. Yeah, that has to be like about half a mile. Because we're more than halfway to the turnoff.
And we've been in like
Everyone's butts are soaking wet. I can feel it. My butt is soaking wet. Okay, stay together. Don't get ahead of everyone. Stay forward. Come on, Brad. Stop. Catch up to us. Okay, just stay together. So we don't have to wait for one person. Really? Oh shoot, get to the side. One in a row. Go. He is flying. Okay, stay back here, Brittany. Okay, 4 in a row. Bernie! We slow down and wait for you, and then you just go in front of us. We're going uphill. I can feel it on my legs now. Slow down, we're waiting on them. Okay, we'll see you at our next pit stop. Okay. What pit stop is this, 4? No, 4. So we stopped at the campground. Dixie sign in the pond. Okay, so this is pit stop number 4. This is where we ended up yesterday. Here's the willows. We came out this little ridge right here yesterday. Hiked back to the cave. We didn't make it all the way to the top. Way up there. Yeah. So this is where we ended up. So take a breather. And I wanted to keep my ears warm, so it wouldn't fit on with my beanie. So our helmets are from like 10 years ago. I love biking up here. It's different from in town. You got way better scenery. And it's a lot funner when you're out here by yourself. When we've only had one car pass us, and that's it. Look at Brittany's tire. It's got some snowpack in there. Their two are brand new for Christmas today. Trayson's and Lane's. Mine's old, passed down from brothers. And Brittany's is new from a few years ago, but not very much of an outdoorsy bike. We're all of ours are mountain bikes but hers, so. What? Yeah. You guys ready to hit the road? Let's go. Stay together, wait for Trey to get on his bike. By the way, if you like our videos or you dislike them, please put it down below in the comments so we know what more videos we should do. And also comment down below video ideas. We need some video ideas, and if you do a video idea, we'll shout you out in one of our videos. Okay, 5th pit stop. Pull off out here, property road. We're just pulled off to the side. We aren't up in there, but here we are.
Wait, I need them.
We're way more than halfway. Our GoPro died, so we're filming off iPod, so it might be more blurry, but it will have to do. So let's keep going. You ready? Gotta make it up a little hill up here.
Don't we have to go?
See you at your next pit stop. This is where we are. We're at our pit stop. We're in town. Right here, it's a blizzard. Snow everywhere. Our backpack's filled. Look at Lane's helmet. Filled, and filled. Look at his bike. We're over here.
Start up for a minute.
It's coming down. We're just barely pulling into town. Sorry we haven't been filming. It died. We had to hurry and recharge. But here we are. We'll meet you back at the house. It's terrible weather. We just gotta hurry and get home. So we'll meet you at the house. It's been fun though. That's what it looks like out here, blizzard.